Most entrepreneurs I coach are extremely busy, and most of them are not moving their companies forward. Stephen Covey wrote about this decades ago. We spend the vast majority of our productive time on things that are important and urgent, putting out fires, answering emails, handling the crisis of the day, and there's never time left for the things that are truly strategic. That's why I teach every company I coach to set quarterly rocks. A rock is a strategic objective that will move the needle, the 3 or 4 most important things your company must accomplish this quarter to make a significant difference in growth, systems, customer relationships, or competitive position. One person owns each rock. They define it, build the timeline, set the budget, and articulate the benefit to the company of completing it. That's it. 3 or 4 rocks, one owner each, every quarter. Here's your action item. Ask yourself right now, what are the 3 things that if you accomplish them this quarter would make the biggest difference to your business? If you can't answer that clearly, your team can't either. Full breakdown inside the program, link in the description.